Corruption in Nigeria. Buhari's presidency stinks, says PDP about Obono Obla and Oyota fraud. The PDP says this is a tip of the iceberg. This is Njenje Media Channel. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel for more analysis and update. Corruption in Nigeria. Buhari's government stinks to high heaven. The People's Democratic Party, PDP, says that the President Muhammad Buhari's presidency is rotten, reeks of incurable corruption, festering up to every level. The party says that it is shocking, full of revelations of multi-dimensional sleaze, bribery, stealing, and extortion in President Buhari's Special Investigation Panel for Recovery of Public Properties, well as in office of the head of service of the Federation. There are just a few, these are just a tip of the iceberg of the earth-shaking corruption deeply entrenched in Buhari's presidency, according to PDP. The PDP, a party that stole Nigeria dry, is accusing APC. Is this not when Satan begins to accuse Lucifer of stealing? They are the same. They are 6 and half a dozen. But for the sake of argument, let us continue. The party says Nigerians are aware of how the indicted chairman of the Special Investigation Panel, Okie Obnobla, and the head of service, Winfred Oyoita, enjoy the protection of the cabal in the Buhari's presidency in his brazen burglary of our common patrimony. Nigeria can also recall how the PDP had severally raised the issue of humongous fraud going on in the Special Investigation Panel under Obono Obla, as well as its chairman's certificate forgery allegation, and how President Buhari condoned him and refused to take immediate steps. The Buhari's presidency should therefore know that Nigerians are not carried away by the new attempt to hoodwink them through the usual holier-than-thou script that he is playing out today. If President Buhari is indeed serious about exposing corruption, he should immediately allow a system-wide probe into the activities of his administration in the last 4 years, particularly the trillions of naira sleazed in the Ministry of Petroleum Resources, where Buhari is the ministry and still is the Minister of Petroleum. He doubles as the presidency and is still the Minister of Petroleum. They want also that Buhari to look into food importation directive. The PDP went further to fault Buhari's directive on food importation. They said that what the Buhari's government is doing is to punish Nigerians. The PDP demands that President Buhari allows an inquest into the stolen 9 trillion as detailed in the leaked NNPC memo. 9 trillion naira, 9 trillion. NNPC reported. The reported stealing of 1.1 trillion worth of crude oil by interests connected to All Progressive Congress, as well as alleged diversion of billions of naira meant for security and social welfare in our country. The PDP now expects President Buhari to allow an investigation into the revelation by the First Lady Aisha Mohammed Buhari that over 500 billion social investment program and about 16 billion mosquito net project of his administration were diverted to private purses. This is in addition to persons close to him who as former ministers and former governors are facing corruption charges in various panels and courts, including a former minister indicted in the National Broadcasting Commission for 2.1 billion fraud case. Furthermore, the PDP asked President Buhari to speak out on the allegation in the public space that Obono Obla's investigation activities at the Petroleum Equalization Fund, PEF, which the president's cabal is desperate to conceal. This is what is being punished and should be looked into today. Moreover, according to PDP, that the PDP holds that the President Buhari appears to resolve to take the right step to investigate Obla, his scandal and a certificate forgery, it has also become incumbent on him to purge his conscience by owing up to his own certificate saga. Basically, PDP and officially now is telling Buhari, you have no certificate. This statement by PDP was signed by their National Publicity Secretary, Mr. Kola Olobon Diyan. Njenje Media would ask and add, now PDP is waking up. PDP had 16 years to restructure Nigeria and they couldn't do it. Though there were some areas PDP we could forgive them that they tried. But with this current government, this appears to be the worst in Nigeria. This is Njenje Media channel. Subscribe to the channel for more updates.